Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool 3D turtle. It's got a 3D shell and a 3D head. And the head, you can move left and right, like this, and it can go down and up. Up and down, like that. And you can even push the tail in like that. But you cannot tuck the head in, and that's the only thing I hate about it. But other than that, it's a really cool model. It's 3D. And what's really cool about it is that I'm going to show you how to make this really simple water at the end. And you can make your own scene with your turtle. So you can put the turtle like this, so it's like it's underwater. And then you can push the head up like that. And then let go of the head and it goes down like that. Isn't that cool? How awesome is that? And it's swimming. Okay, so first the turtle and then the water. Here we go. Okay, so for this turtle, I'm going to use a 16 square of Kami. But you could try from a sheet of print paper cut square. And I have to talk really quiet because everybody's asleep. So, just bear with me. So let's begin with the white side up. And we're going to fold in half. We're going to make a pinwheel base. Unfold and fold in half this way. This is a rather challenging model, not too bad, but if you're new to folding, I recommend trying something easier first. And now fold both sides to the middle. It's not that bad. Okay, now fold the short sides to the middle. Hope you guys can hear me even though I'm talking pretty quiet. Okay, now we're going to fold diagonally in half. So we're going to take this corner and fold it to here. And hold the layers down so they don't slide like that. So hold them down really firmly against the desk as much as possible. And just align the points. And flatten. Now when you unfold it, just take the two corners and separate them. And these should get folded, and that's good. That's exactly what you want. Now we're going to do it in the other direction. So take this corner and fold it to here, holding the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, now separate the two sides like that. Alright, I'm going to switch to a white background. Alright, now we're going to take this flap and we're going to pull it out like that. And if it gets kind of crooked, just kind of fix it up. There we go. And repeat that 3 more times. Here, like that. And then rotate. Oh look, we have a dog. Okay, same here. And here, like that. Okay, now we're going to squash fold these 4 flaps. So, open here, and squash. And repeat 3 more times. Okay, like this. Now we're going to petal fold 2 opposite sides. So I'm going to petal fold here and this side, just 2 opposite sides. So I'll start right here on the top. So let's make our pre-creases first. So fold both of these sides to the middle crease. If you want to go straight to the petal fold, go right ahead. Okay, now fold this up like this. We're folding between these 2 points of the creases. And we have a boat. Flatten the sides of the boat like this. Okay? And then flatten it up. And repeat on the opposite side. So rotate 180 degrees and same thing. So if you want, you can make the pre-creases, or you can go straight for the petal fold. It doesn't matter. And try and make it come to a nice point right there on the top. Okay, and now flatten it up. Like that. Alright, and there it is. So one of these is the head, and the other is the tail. So let's choose here. I'll have this be the tail. So let's narrow the tail out. We'll work on the head afterwards. We're going to take these 2 points and fold them to the middle of this diamond. Okay, like that. And let's do it again. So we're going to take these 2 edges and fold them to the middle once again. And hold the layers down so they don't slide. And again, this is the tail we're working on. Alright, there it is. And if you want, this is optional, but it'll make it look a little bit cleaner. You can take this little flap and you can fold it inside. If you want. And if it's really small, if you're using 10-inch paper, it might be fairly easy, but if you're using 6-inch like mine, it might be a little bit challenging because it's so small. So just use like a pointer tool and just shove it in there like that. See? It's what makes it cleaner looking. Alright. So that's the tail, and we'll work on more of it later. But now let's work on the head. So it starts the same way on the head. We're going to take these 2 points and fold them to the middle of this diamond. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit more. Okay. And now we're going to... Okay, let's unfold right now. And we're going to fold this flap up like this as far as it goes. And then just reverse that crease. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to sink it. So let's open right here. And then see this square of creases? Well, not the square, but we're going to pinch this crease, this crease, this crease, and this crease mountain folds. So, like this. And we're pinching on here too. Like that. There we go. So those are the creases we pinched, mountain folds, see? And now we're going to make a water bomb base with this. So, just bring it like that. And flatten. There we go. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model. Alright. And now, we've already got those 2 creases we made earlier, so we can refold them. Okay. And now we're going to 3-dimensionalize the head. So this is how we're going to do it. So, alright, so we got those 2 folds right there. So we folded those 2 in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a mountain fold right beyond this edge. Maybe about, I guess that much is good. That's really to taste. I don't have an exact reference point for that. Or yeah, you can make it so it's 1 unit from this edge. Like that. Okay, now unfold. And now we're going to open here. And we're going to pinch that little fold right there. And we're going to bring it so it aligns with this crease. See? Just like that. And you can undo that and repeat on this side. So, open here, pinch that little fold right there, and then bring it to the edge. There we go, just like that. Probably would have been easier if I used a 10-inch square, but I'm out of town, so I don't have my 10-inch paper with me. Yeah, I'm not at my real house, by the way. I'm at my grandparents' house in Texas. Okay. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna make a pleat fold. So we're gonna make a valley fold along this edge. Okay. There we go. And now just kind of round off the head. Just fold this raw point in like this. Okay, and there it is, the head. Can remake that fold right there. So yeah, the head moves in all directions. You can make it like that. We'll exercise it more later. Okay, now we're gonna keep working on the rest of the turtle. So, let's see. We'll fold this in about like that. I think all the rest of this is pretty much to taste now. Yeah, I'm gonna fold this up about like this. Yeah, I'm kind of doing thirds here, so this is equal to that. Oh, do make sure that this point aligns with that crease. And repeat on the side. So I'm folding up about like that. So it's about thirds. Alright, now comes a little fun sequence of folds. This is my favorite part of the model. We're gonna fold this up so this edge aligns with this edge. And same on this side. Align this edge to that edge. Okay, and now unfold. And now comes the fun part. My favorite part of the model. Open the pocket. And we're gonna tuck this inside. Like that. And it makes a really nice lock there. I really like that step. And repeat on this side. So open the pocket. And stick the flap in. Like that. Okay, and repeat on this side too. So take this edge and this edge, align them with the top. Unfold. And stick them in the pockets. There we go, like that. See? And that makes a really nice lock. That's why I like that step so much. Okay. And after the tail, we're going to make a little pleat fold. And this is what rounds off the shell more. So, you can make this mountain fold about the same length as these two sides. Maybe at least that, that's its taste. And it does get thick right there, so good luck. And make a valley fold. I'll take this fold we made and align it with that little edge right there. Okay. And there it is, the turtle. So if you want a 3D or a 2D turtle, then you're done. It's pretty cool just like this, but if you want to three-dimensionalize it like this, then here we go. This is a little tricky, so do this at your own risk. Okay, we already got the head done, so that's good, but we need to do the shell, and this is the hard part, so I'll do my best to show you. So what we're going to do is, see how there's an opening right here? Let's put our finger inside. Okay, so we're kind of doing surgery here on the turtle. Okay, and we're just gonna kind of indent the paper. Okay, and these points, we're gonna pinch them, and then just fold them to one direction. Like that. That's to taste. Just about like that, and same here. See? It's really not that tricky, actually. But this is the most challenging part. And let's do it right here, too, on this point. Okay? And same on this side. So just kind of open here. And then pinch the points. Make sure you're indenting the paper right here so it's 3D. And then just pinch the points and fold them to one direction. Like that. And just fix up this if it got messed up. And once you do that, there is the 3D turtle done. So yeah, there it is. Oh, and for the tail, you can just wrap your tail like this, and then you can fold it over like this to tuck it in. It's not going to stay tucked in, but yeah, you know what I mean. Actually, let me see if I can try that. Maybe I'll stick it into the pocket. No. You just kind of have to hold it in there. But yeah, but the head, it doesn't tuck in, but you can articulate it like this, move it in all directions. Up, down, right, left. And yeah, and it's a nice 3D turtle. This is probably my favorite model I designed already. This is probably my new favorite model I just designed. So yeah, there it is. There's the underside. It doesn't really have any legs. Well, I guess if you look closely, there's points. Those are considered the legs. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fold this really simple water that you can use for your turtle. See? So you have the turtle like this, and use one of your fingers on your left hand, and you can poke the head up, and then down like that. See? So it looks like it's sticking its head up out of the water. Like that, and then you can put the turtle down like that, and it goes down. Okay, so let's fold some water. So, I should have a blue sheet in here somewhere. Okay. Alright. I guess dark blue would be okay. So let's fold in half. Alright, and now let's fold this up just a tad, just about like that. And then fold this up too. Okay? And then now, fold this up about that much. It's really all to taste. And then unfold it and make sure it's like a 90-degree angle right there, so it sticks straight up. And repeat on this side. And try and match what we did over here. Alright, and unfold it like this. And there it is. So the thick part is what stays on the desk. That's what I like to stand it on, like that. Okay, and now I'm going to lower the camera, so we get a better view of it. And there we go, that is pretty low. So, you can take your turtle, and you can hold it by the shell, and you can push the head up. Oops, don't let the water get knocked down. See? Looks like he's poking his head up out of the water when you hold it like that, and then you can put it down like that. See? And there's his head. His head is poking up, and then it goes down like that. How awesome is this? I really like this model. This is a really cool model. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to make it. And hope you find it interesting. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, have a good night.